2:20 p.m. Central Division officers responded to the area of 11th Street and Main Street due to citizens reporting an armed robbery suspect. The suspect was later identified as 30-year-old Linda Vanessa Nunez.
Where's she at? Okay. That's a girl?
Now walking westbound on 11th towards the main. Additional incident 2568.
243, we're gonna be on that suspect 11th and Main. Let me get it back. Hey, stop right there. Face the wall. Face the wall. Cut her off. Shots fired. Officer needs help. 11th and Main. Suspect went in at 1053 South Main Street. Female Hispanic. They stressed. Hey, get a shotgun, partner. I shot 3 shots, partner. Hey, Matt, get away from me. Get back. Hey, she went in that building right here. That's her right there. That's her right there. Get on your stomach now! Hands to your side! Hands to your side now! Hey partner, let's redeploy this way. I'm coming behind you, partner. I'm coming over.
Let me know. I'm on point. You got point? On point. Hey, get me to get less lethal.
I'll be arresting you.
All right. All right. Hey, bro, I got taser.
Hey, hands to your side now. Hands to your side now.
All right. Hey, you guys, I'm gonna go hands on. All right.
Go ahead.
You okay, brother?
I'm good. Hey, article's over here. Article's right there.
Hey, let me go check the.
Yay. Take down range, partner. Hey, leave it there. Don't touch it. No, it was just one. Hey, stop right there. Face the wall. Face the wall. Shots fired, officer. He's up. 11th and Main.
Shoot it. Shots fired. Pull up.
We got a hostage.
Hey, can I make it a help call yet?
Making a help. Yeah, they got it. Hey, get the shotgun.
Get the shotgun.
Get the shotgun.
11th and Main, officer detail. 11th and Main.
Hey, let's have units respond southbound Main.
Hey, 10.
No, turn around.
1FB5, gonna be at 1053 South Main Street. We got a barricaded suspect. Let me get a perimeter.
No, go the other way.
Hey, the edge is gonna be 1053 South Main. Start getting corned off. Come on with your hands up. Hey guys, we just get a team. Hey, let me know.
I'm on point.
You got point?
I'm on point.
Hey, get me to get last free throw.
I'll be arrested.
All right. Hey, go. I got taser. Go. I got last free throw. Hey, let me go check the.
The police officer's patrol unit was struck by gunfire. The loaded 9mm Glock Model 19 semi-automatic pistol used by Nunez was recovered from the scene. On October 27, 2020, the Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office filed the following counts against Nunez. 2 counts of attempted murder of a peace officer. 1 count of second. Linda Vanessa Nunez is a 30-year-old resident of Los Angeles.